And here we have it, like you can tell from the title. This is the Converse Chuck 70 in collaboration with Stussy or Stussy, however you choose to say it. It's 7:30 p.m, 7:25. I'm just getting home now. It's been a long time since I've actually opened a package from scratch. So I'm kind of excited because this knife hasn't seen any use in a long time. Ah, how much I love this. This pair actually came out a while ago. Oh, still sharp, still sharp. This pair actually came out a while ago and it was just sat there on the Stussy website in America, of course. I placed the order and had it shipped to Dubai. And here's the funny thing, right? I can talk in dirhams because that's how I saw it on the website. The pair is, I think, about 650 or 700 dirhams. But it was on discount, so it was 155 dirhams, and I paid 70 dirhams to have it shipped to Dubai. That's like half the price that I paid for the sneaker I paid for shipping. And this just got here. Whoa, I have no idea about what to expect from this pair because I actually wanted a pair of Chuck Taylors really bad to wear when I'm here in Dubai. The other pair that I have, which is the Fear of God, is back home in India. And the good thing about ordering from Stussy is that it comes with stickers. This is a mouse or a rat. It's like a clear sticker. That's nice. And you have the monogram. Don't we all love a nice crisp box? Here you have the Stussy signature, All-Star done there in a very Stussy. I don't know, man. I think I'm going to keep alternating between Stussy and Stussy. Kind of a star, like the All-Star Chuck Taylor star. You have more branding on the side. It says Converse there. Stussy All-Star. A US 9 becomes a UK 9, which is why I got a US 8, which is a UK 8. You've seen it before in the classic colorway, a regular Chuck Taylor, but this one is the Stussy collab Chuck 70. And you know what? Initially I was a little apprehensive because you know on the Chuck 70 how the sole is always glossy, but in this it's done all matte. This is a Chuck 70, right? Now I'm questioning myself. Yeah, it's a Chuck 70 high. That's what it says on the box as well. Now why is this pair special or different from any other Chuck? That's because this upper is made of hemp. And I'm not sure if I can get the details, but there you go. You see the texturized finish on this upper? That's hemp. So the entire black canvas has been replaced with hemp, and that goes to the tongue as well. And this pair has some interesting detailing. Like we saw on the box, you have this Converse star done in a very Stussy aesthetic, and you have the Stussy patch done here on the heel. What else do we have? It just says Converse All-Star on the back on that number plate, as per usual. Another interesting thing is you'd usually see the star on the inside, the patch, but in this pair it's been reversed. Here you have like a blank patch with that stitching done. This actually is a full layer, like a patch on it. The Chuck Taylor Converse All-Star patch done there on the inside, which is so interesting. And the insole as well carries on with that Stussy and Converse branding done there. And then on the tongue on the inside you have the Stussy signature, and here the All-Star with the Stussy star. Other than that, everything else is basic. Of course, a Chuck 70 high is known for its comfort being better than a regular Chuck Taylor, and part of that goes to this insole because you have a much thicker and plush insole than you would see on a regular Chuck Taylor. Made in Vietnam. You know everything that there is to know by now, hopefully, about Chuck 70s. I can't decide. They come with extra laces, of course, which is your black, and they come pre-laced in white. I can't decide if I should keep the white laces on to maintain that classic Chuck Taylor aesthetic, or if I should put on the black laces. But I think the black would take away from the whole look. Those white laces make it pop, so I'm going to keep the white laces on. I'm not going to slip these on feet to show you what they look like, but hey, if you haven't already subscribed, consider it. and give this video a thumbs up. It just helps me with the rankings overall. And that is it for this video, you guys. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. Let me know in the comments what you think about this classic beater that I picked up. And man, what a bargain. Like 155 dirhams is about 3,000 rupees ish. Okay, let's say 3,500 rupees, which in dollars is about what, $40? 45? My math is poor. If I knew any better, I'd probably be living a better life. Alright, thanks for staying all the way to the end. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.